This week's feast?
Who Hash from the Grinch Who Stole Christmas.
Happy holidays, feasters!
Yay! We're all dressed up. Kiwi, look at how cute you are.
I know, Kiwi is like the perfect Max.
Mwah.
The best little reindeer.
The only reindeer in my heart. All right, Kiwi, I know you hate being here, so let's put you down. Okay, bye-bye.
Bye-bye, Max Kiwi.
Whew. Wow, a lot of hair. We'll have to get rid of that before we start cooking this delicious feast today.
Yes, which you guys have all been asking for. It's the holiday season. It's perfect. It's gonna warm your hearts. It's gonna warm your bellies.
Mm-hmm.
It is Who Hash.
It's gonna make you want to steal it, too.
Then he slunk to the icebox. He took the Who's feast. He took the Who pudding. He took the roast beast. He cleaned out the icebox as quick as a flash. Why, that Grinch even took the last can of Who Hash.
In fact, I need to go into full costume, full disguise now. Are you ready?
Okay.
I'm ready.
So, who are you? You're supposed to be the Grinch.
I am the Grinch. I'm hiding as a present.
Yep.
Let's steal.
Okay, yes, so this recipe is delicious. You guys have been requesting it for a while. We're actually going to use canned vegetables in this recipe, which you might be asking, why would they do that? But we want to be authentic to the recipe.
That's right.
It was probably in a can based on what we've seen in the cartoon.
He did steal it from a can, so.
We are using entirely canned vegetables, canned meat to recreate this delicious and iconic holiday dish.
That's right. It's gonna be so good. It's gonna be delicious. You can make it for your friends, for your family, anytime during the holiday season. In fact, it's just always seasonal.
It's gonna be delicious.
It is gonna be delicious.
Yes, have some faith in us.
Aha, some Christmas holiday faith.
We need some holiday spirit from this Grinch.
Ho, ho, ho.
Listen, he's gonna be wanting to steal every can by the end of this episode.
That's right.
Just like,
I wish I could smile as big as he does.
I know, and it curls over.
I can't wait. Let's get cooking.
Yeah.
Begin by opening up a can of white potatoes, strain the liquid out, and chop these into small cubes. Alternatively, you can just buy some potatoes, boil them in some water, skin them, and do the same. They just need to be soft. Next, cut half an onion and dice it up. We couldn't actually find any onions in a can at the store, so we're going fresh with these ingredients. There are plenty of ways to dice an onion, so choose your method and get chopping. Now for the hash itself. Ugh. Open a can of corned beef hash and cut these into the same size cubes as your potatoes. Now to make it easier, you can also refrigerate the can beforehand so the meat is easier to cut. Now we're almost ready to cook. The last ingredient to prep is garlic, so smash a clove and finally mince it up. Oil a pan on medium-high heat, smiley face optional, and begin sauteing your onions, then garlic, and add the corned beef hash. Add your potatoes last and mix together before adding in some rosemary, salt, and pepper. Brown your ingredients in the pan for 7 to 10 minutes on low heat. Then take your Who Hash and add it to one of the cans you opened earlier and slap on that Feast of Fiction Who Hash label for the full effect. Voila! The holiday season is here, and it wouldn't be complete without a little Grinch flavor, or in this case, the authentic Whoville flavors of their canned Who Hash, and is complemented with a sprig of rosemary and some scrambled eggs. Just don't let that nasty Grinch see it before you get to eat it yourself.
Yeah. So good. Look, it looks so cute.
So cute.
Kind of like dog food mixed with potatoes, but
Definitely looks like dog food.
we'll see how it tastes, huh?
Kiwi's been staring at it the entire
Wait, should we get some of the eggs with it?
Yeah. Cheers.
Cheers.
And a happy holiday.
That is pretty good.
That is good hash. You know,
Wow.
when it's cold outside, you want something to warm you up, you got this Who Hash right here.
The garlic, the rosemary, we really jazzed up this canned food.
The rosemary adds a lot to it, actually. I really like that a lot. It's like a little hint on the side.
This is really good, guys. Nobody will even know you used a bunch of canned stuff to make this. That's what I
Well,
think is so ingenious about this
That's
recipe.
the point of Who Hash. It comes in a can, so it may as well be made from things in a can.
That's right.
Yeah.
Also keep in mind, if canned veggies aren't your thing, you much rather would prefer the fresh things. Get fresh potatoes.
fresh
Get a
potatoes.
fresh onion, you know?
Yeah. Lots of ways to go about this recipe. This
Yep.
is just our version because it is thematic with the show / movie / Grinch in general. Anyway,
All right.
we here at Feast of Fiction, as always, wish you guys a very merry holiday season.
It's been a great year.
It's been an amazing year. Whatever you may celebrate, whatever you're doing, I hope you guys are surrounded by loved ones, family, and the people that support you the most.
And delicious food.
Yes, delicious food, a staple of the holiday season, no matter where you are in the world.
That's right.
But you know what, guys? We have a lot of awesome announcements coming in the future. In 2019, it's going to be a great year. I see a lot of big things on the horizon. If you're excited, let us know in the comments, and please, tell us what you want to see us make next on the show.
Yep, don't forget to subscribe. Follow us on all social medias at JF Hoang, at Ash Rochelle, at Feast of Fiction.
Bingo.
And have a safe and happy holidays, everyone. We'll see you next year.
Bye.
Bye.